Hello students, we are introducing an intensive mains mentorship program called as Mains Metrics 3.0 for the students who are rating mains this year. And this particular program is designed in such a way that we are going to cover the entire syllabus in the next 50 days. This program will have daily micro tests which will be corrected by our expert mentors and will be given personalized feedback on the very same day. There will be 2 full tests and 10 essay tests for this particular program. The mentoring team, it includes former and the current serving IAS, IPS, IFS officers and the best mentors that we can provide right now in the country. From Monday to Saturday every morning, there will be 30 minutes micro test followed by personalized feedback from our expert mentors. In the evening, there will be a comparative evaluation session where you can understand the gaps in your answer writing and then improve. On every Sundays, you will be having essay test. There will be ethics modules as well as current affairs modules to improve your marks on GS2 and 3 papers. For more queries and admissions, please contact us.